Fabulous the best, Fabulous the greatest, Fabulous AD. She said, "It means Fabulous cry more debut." She said, "Yeah, we are going to have fun with Asante Kotoko." Ben the any other team, but Kotoko players no kasano. We and for papa. Kotoko players are very very shameful players. We a car. Yeah, bono na momo bola. Look at what happened yesterday. How can Sweden All Blacks Ebesha Asante Kotoko 2-1 Obaba Yara Sports Stadium? Game no kompo ohwe kompo na ebufu time. How? Who ni wu papa Kotoko players who ni wu. Who ni I say nothing was at stake for these players. I mean, how can a team like Kotoko players yes, and no amount to come from team bars now. Yet Mugu ambulance in the PA. Look at that. Look at that. Ana bono ana Mr. Muko ana muji bibi and sana bono because it was like as a Kotoko players no emo because we and go for a year second go yeah. Why? Goalkeeper the ball amount. What pass him away? All more ball in Sima. We are the Mugase for Kotoko players. We are the Mugase for more disappointed Kotoko fans. More disappointed 49 points. A team like Kotoko on the 8th or the league is 8th position on the league on the league table. Why? So Kotoko players mutimbe yes eh? How can you betray us just like that? Such a poor performance. Like how? Mususu yetwemu yie. Yetwemu ka yie. And so opepani ni ho. Opepano opepani eni ho se ombesi aka ya ma Asante Kotoko. Se kompa Kotoko ni Kotoko supporters eni gia. And can not compose munye bibi. You say and not a last game. Kamunye bibi muna munye shakwana supporters in any. Much much the first goal. Much much now ama ya betika as I was piso. It's like say that's a game near town. Look at that. And Mugase, if you guys don't know, very very and Mugase, Emma Kotoko players, you know. And Mugase, it's hey, Kotokoi, the way these guys are doing, you know, it is mind-boggling. Too bad. Million na poku. But me follow to like go comment sa fabra, but me share. No one yet me go just channel chipera. Million na makram. Bye bye.